Hi guys, it's T and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. Today I am making beautiful bubbly bubble scoops with a cookie cutter. Now I started off with some baking soda and now I am adding my SLSA. If you want this recipe, the full recipe is in the description box. This was some very chunky SLSA, but for all my ingredients I use a sifter just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And now that I have added all of my dry ingredients to my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and place them in my mixer. And these are the two colors that I'm using to make green. You can use mica, but the green micas normally say do not put them into bath water. So I just use two dyes or two lakes to make that color. And now I'm on to my liquid ingredients. And this is cocoa butter, and I'm also going to add some apricot oil. I'm going to pop that in a microwave. And once I get that all melted, I'll add the rest. So now I have mixed everything in my mixer pretty well to a consistency where it's not too sticky. So I'm going to press this out on some freezer paper. You can definitely roll it with a rolling pin to get it all smooth. And then I will take my cookie cutter and you'll see the different ways that I tried to get this out. So first I just made several cuts with my cookie cutter and I removed the dough from around it, and then I got me a little scraper here to help scrape the extra pieces from around it, and then I tried to lift it up with the scraper. This worked okay, but I didn't think that it was the best way to get it out, so as you'll see in a second, I tried a different way. So with the remaining dough or batter, whatever you want to call it, I smoothed it out and I placed my cookie cutter again. And while it was still in the cookie cutter, I found this to be a better way to take the dough from around it and or move it from around it while it's still in the cookie cutter. This made a much smoother, I guess, tree. So if you want to try this, I think that this is the best way to do it. And an even better way is, and I didn't show this, but to use your cookie cutter, cut it out, and then use your scraper, actually, if you have one, to remove all the extra pieces from around it. It did an even better job than I was able to do with my hands. So now I've gotten all of my little trees out. I'm going to take the back of a paintbrush, place some little holes in there, and using the same recipe earlier, I'd made just some little red pieces of the bubble scoop dough, and I'm going to use those to place them in to look like the apples. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you'll know every time I put out a video. If you haven't already, give me a follow on Instagram and or Facebook at Betty and Brenda Bath Co. And you can purchase these on bettyandbrenda.com. So I painted the base of this after I got done putting in my little apples. I didn't record that, but you'll see the picture at the end. So keep watching for that. Hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed week. And I'll chat with you guys next week when I show you my last Harry Potter soap. Bye.